Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyeliner.
Like this. Excuse my eyebrows, I haven't got them done yet.
So if you guys want to learn how to do your eyeliner like this, or just want to watch me do my eyeliner, just keep on watching. So you're gonna need an eyeliner. I use a pencil eyeliner. And I also use the Maybelline New York Master Precise Curvy Liquid Liner. Sometimes, I don't always use it, because sometimes the pencil liner will do the job. And you're gonna need Q-tips, and that's it. So first of all, make sure your pencil is sharpened.
And ignore my eyebrows, I'm going to get them done soon.
So I always start on the bottom. Alright, and first I draw in side of the waterline, and then I go down a little bit. And if I feel like it's too thick, I just go and clean it up.
So that's what it looks like on the bottom. And then I also go on the top. I try to do the wing, even though I'm not good at it. I don't like to do it too long because obviously I'm not good at it, so I just draw it a little bit and then I go like this. And then sometimes this is where I use the Maybelline liquid liner just to make a sharp edge.
And the reason that I don't wear this on the whole top eyelid is because this pencil eyeliner is like super waterproof. So if I cry or I get water on my face or whatever, this eyeliner doesn't smear at all. And that's how I do my eyeliner.
Now I'm gonna do this one, so stand by. So there you have it. That's how I do my eyeliner. Now I'm just gonna do my mascara and I'll be right back.
Alright, so I already did my mascara. I used the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. And I used the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. So yeah, that's what I used on my eyelashes today.
And so, this is my eyeliner. What do you guys think? I used to do my eyeliner like this every single day.
I know not everyone's a fan of eyeliner, but I love it. And I know a lot of people don't like using pencil eyeliner, but I guess you guys could also try and do your eyeliner with a liquid liner or a gel liner, whichever you prefer. So what do you guys think? Are you guys gonna try this? I hope you guys enjoyed my, I guess, tutorial. I hope you guys give it a try. If you do try it, comment down below and let me know what you think. So yeah, this is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.
Hopefully I don't look too washed out in this camera, because on the viewfinder it looks like I'm super white. But sometimes I look brown and I'm not even that color either. I don't know. I don't even know what color I am for reals.